How to order Grabfood for someone else in another city. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to order Grabfood for someone else in another city. First, you have to open up your Grab application on your phone. After that, tap on Use this location at the bottom. Then, go to the food section. Next, browse to the available menu and select the one you want. Once you have selected it, now tap on it. After that, tap on the Add to Basket button located at the bottom. Then, again tap on Basket at the bottom. After that, under Delivery page, tap on this to change your address. Then, tap on Choose from Map located at the bottom. Now tap on Confirm Delivery Location. After that, select your desired location from here. Once done, again tap on the Confirm Delivery Location button at the bottom. After that, tap on the Place Order button at the bottom. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.